Hi there! If you didn't know there were wireless ATS, then you just find out, and you'll see that they really work. I'm showing you one from Earu, bought on AliExpress for about 50 bucks. I used two cables from two different sources. First, we connect side A. The negative connected to N, and the positive to AR. It's worth mentioning that you can remove the plug if you find it easier to install, but not for me. Then we connect side B, the negative to BN and the positive to BR. We connect a light bulb to the load side. It is very important to change to manual mode if you want to turn the knob. Otherwise, you can broke ATS. This rule does not apply to manual changing in the app. Thank God for that. Now it works like a normal ATS, but we have Wi-Fi and we have to install the ewelink app to use this feature. Now we make sure that the ATS is powered from both sources. Perfect! It detected it automatically. Now we have to press the plus. Okay, now we can use it with the phone. Okay, it works. I think it changes well, but I don't think it has 8 milliseconds, like they tell us. I hope it doesn't break too quickly. That's all. Leave your opinion about this product in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked it and want more videos. Take care.